Cashing out on Doordash with a Dasher Direct card is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To cash out on Doordash using the Dasher Direct card, first of all, activate your card. Ensure you have received your physical Dasher Direct card. If not, you will initially use a virtual card until the physical one arrives. The virtual card allows you to order online, but you cannot use it for in-person transactions or at ATMs. Now, complete a dash after completing a Doordash delivery. Your earnings will be added to your Dasher Direct account. There's no charge for this transfer. You can withdraw cash to access your earnings, and you have a few options, like ATM withdrawal. Visit a CVS or Walgreens where you can withdraw cash using your Dasher Direct card. The app will show you locations where this service is free. The other option is to transfer to a bank account. If you prefer, you can transfer money from your Dasher Direct account to your personal bank account. This process usually takes about a day.